these last couple days of summer because it is officially the start of fall on Monday. Can you believe it?
Look, I love fall, but no, I can't believe it. You know, speaking of seasons, you remember those old school shows that we did this past spring? It seems like such a long time ago, but man, that was so much fun.
I love those shows. You know what? I feel like I would have crushed it.
It's because the 80s were the best decade ever. Am I right?
Yeah.
80s? Yeah.
It was so great.
And yeah, but look, in all seriousness, we can't forget that we did these old school shows to celebrate our player appreciation tickets. 2 tickets, more ways to win.
Now, we told you that they were limited editions, and to date, we have sold more than 80% of the $1 tickets, so you still have to hurry if you want to get one. And you've probably noticed the new purple $2 tickets for sale at your favorite retailer. Now, it still has 3 times the entries for your best chance to get right here on the show.
And don't forget, your chances to win have never been better, so do not miss out.
Now, there are 8 players here tonight that are proof these tickets can land you right here in the spotlight. Let's meet them.
Tonight's contestants represent towns across Ohio,
But they're all headed to one destination, the spotlight. David, ready to give away lots of money?
So ready.
All right, let's do it. Meredith, coming up to the spotlight.
Meredith, you didn't even trip. You made it past that.
I
Meredith.
actually would like to give a shout out.
Okay.
I want to say hi to JJ.
Hi, JJ.
Rainbow and Echoing Woods and family and friends who's cheering me on. Thank you.
Awesome. Now, I love your shirt. It says, nurses don't play cards. We play Cash Explosion because we like to win big. Shout out to all the nurses, right?
Yes.
And you're celebrating something really special.
Yes. Today marks my 6th-year anniversary of being a nurse.
Well, happy work-anniversary.
Thank you.
Happy nurse-anniversary. I like that.
I'm not even do the show. I mean, I'm proud of you.
Nurses
but-
get it. Nurses
Yeah.
get it.
Okay, well,
We
then if
love-
you appreciate it, I'll
We
let
love
it
our
slide.
nurses. You guys are the foundation of our society. We love it. Well, Meredith, let's see you win lots of money. 5, 3, and 16. All right, Meredith, let's see how you start your game.
Come on, big
What's
money.
behind 5?
Big money.
$2,700.
All right, what's behind the 3?
Bonus.
$3,100.
All right, here you go.
Double.
Asking for a bonus, a
Double.
double. What's behind
Double.
16? $2,900. Meredith, that's $8,700. Congratulations. You got a seat in our leader zone. And next up is Wayne. Wayne, come on up.
Hey, Wayne. How you doing?
Wayne, welcome to the spotlight. Also want to say thank you for your service. You are a military vet, correct?
Yes, I am.
Awesome. Well, thank you for your service. Now, you could win $50,000 here tonight. What would you do with your big winnings?
Vacation.
Nice.
Donate some to cancer charity.
Awesome. Big plans for your money. Well, let's see how you do. Give some advice from the family and friends. 10, 20, and 4. All right. Want to get you on a really nice vacation.
Yeah.
What's behind 10?
Bonus.
$5. It's a fantastic start.
Great start. What's behind the 20? Let's keep it going.
Double. Double.
$3,200.
We got 8,200. What's behind 4? $3,300.
Wow.
Wayne, that's $11,500.
Great.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. And some smooth over one. Yeah.
Already changing it up.
Yeah. That could happen 6 more times. We'll find out what happens after this. Don't go away. Friends and family of our contestants are not only the loudest, $50,000! But they've also been coming up with different ways to show their support. Through sign language.
It's the hot guy back there with the green sign.
Wives don't have to win points. We just love our wives no matter what.
what they say.
This is the biggest sign we've ever seen, right?
That is the biggest sign we've ever
Could
had
it
here at
lead
Cash
to the
Explosion.
biggest winning we've ever seen?
Ooh.
They're holding one of the signs backward. I would prefer you hold it the other way.
Oh.
That's my favorite sign yet. Whether it's words of encouragement.
Good luck, Buckeye Bonnie. Why do they call you Buckeye Bonnie?
Oh,
I
wait.
know! I know! Just that's what did it.
Or an inside joke. Is it weird to see yourself out in the audience?
I'm just gonna stand here like this the whole time.
That's good. We've got a sign for avocado toast. Their creativity never disappoints. Keep them coming.
Welcome back. Next up to win the lottery is Randy.
Hey, Randy, how you doing?
Randy, looking at our leaderboard, we have Wayne at the top with 11,500, then Meredith with 8,700. If you can get at least $8,800, that will put you in the second spot of our leaderboard. Let's see how you do. 18, 11, and 20. All right, Randy, let's see how you start your game. What's behind 18? $3,000.
All right, and behind the 11, Randy, what's there? $2,000.
All right, we need big money behind 20. What's there? $2,700, Randy, that's $7,700. Let's see you in the second chance.
See you second chance.
Next up in the spotlight is David.
Hey, David, how you doing?
David. Now, David, you are also a veteran.
Yeah, 21 years Air Force.
21 years in the
you very
Air
much.
Force. Thank you for your service. So what do you have plans for your money? What are you going to do?
Well, I plan on buying a brand new truck.
Oh, nice.
Or new windows for the house.
Nice. You got your plans. All right, let's see you do it.
Thank you.
7, 2, and 5.
Come on, double time.
Hoping for a double.
Talk
Is that
to the
what's
board.
behind 7? $2,600.
Start.
Come on. He wants more than that. What's behind the
Come on now. Big time.
$2,200.
We need big, big money behind 5. What's there?
Oh.
$3,100. David, that's $7,900. We'll see you in the second chance
All right,
game.
let's see your second chance. All right, we seem to stall after the first two. No change.
Not yet.
After our first two players. Our next four would love to change that up, though. We'll find out after this.
Hey, you. If you enter your Cash Explosion entries on CashExplosionShow.com, please hold on to that ticket. You need it to be eligible to play. Put it in your wallet, stick it to the fridge, but do not throw it away. We hope to see you with your lucky ticket here soon. Before we bring up our next player, we wanted to let you all know that you can check out the Cash Explosion Street Team tailgating before tomorrow's Browns-Rams Sunday night football game. So, whether you live in Cleveland or are in town for the game, make sure you stop by the CE tent.
Our summer and fall events are a blast. There's games, prizes, and of course, awesome CE swag, maybe even some CASH. You know what else is a blast? Being a contestant on Cash Explosion. Just like Karen, our next contestant. Karen, come on up. Hey, Karen.
Hi, Karen.
How are you? Good. All right. So, Karen, I mentioned right before the break that there's been no movement since the first two
my
players.
turn.
It's your turn
Nice.
to make it over to the leader
Got
zone.
it. Yep.
It happens right here, Karen. 12, 10, and 8. Just lock them in. All right, Karen, here we go. What do you start with behind the 12?
Double. Double.
3,300. That's a good start.
Yeah. And what's behind 10?
Bonus. Bonus.
$2,200.
All right, we need good money behind the 8. What's there?
Double. Double.
2,100. All right, Karen, 7,600. That's good money. Your game is not over. The second chance is coming up.
Congratulations.
right, Brenda. Brenda, come on up. Hi, Brenda. So, Brenda, I would say you have the wildest bunch in the... You've got like, it's the whole Wild West row.
Right, I love it.
Say that 3 times fast.
I can't say it once.
Can't say it once.
can't
Can you
say
say
it
it? Wild West row.
Wild West Road.
You want to tell us what's going on with the cowboy hats? I
Yeah.
think this is awesome.
My husband is a Roy Rogers impersonator, a tribute artist.
That's fantastic.
And we travel all the little parades in our area down home, yeah.
That
all
is
the parades.
fantastic.
We have a trailer we pull, and he does the lasso and plays the music,
I
and
would
we
say-
sing.
Tribute artist Dale Evans right there.
That's awesome. I love it. All right. Well, let's see how you do today. Let's pick your 3 numbers. Trying to get more than 8,700 will move you into the top 2 spots. 12, 14, 18. She's locked them in. All right, so here we go. How do you start? What's behind the 12?
Double, double, double.
2,000. We need a double.
We need a double. We need a bonus. Is that what's behind 14? $2,800.
One more chance. What's behind the 18? $5,000. Not a double, but Brenda, enough to move you into the 2nd spot. Head on over to the leader zone. All right, Frank, it's your turn to try to get in that top spot. How you doing, Frank? All right, Frank. What are you gonna do with all this money?
Pay my van off,
Yeah.
put a ramp on the house for my wife,
Okay.
pay my bills.
This is a lot
get
of
caught
freedom.
up.
Yeah. How
up.
nice would that be to wake up tomorrow morning and think, I'm paying off all these bills?
Great.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, it
Great.
starts right here. 7, 11, 14. Locked them in. I'll be honest with you, Frank. I would like to see a double.
Or a
Trip to the
bonus.
bonus board. Yeah.
Yeah.
Any of them.
You're overdue.
Yeah. What's behind the
Way
7?
overdue.
3,100.
That's a good start. Reveal what's behind 11.
Come on, bonus.
$2,700.
Come on. And what's behind the 14?
Bonus.
2,000. All right, Frank. $7,800. Again, I keep mentioning it, but second chance is coming up. We'll see you there.
Well, Wayne has locked in his spot in the cash challenge, but we still have one more contestant left to play to see if he can make it to the cash challenge. That's coming up.
Welcome back to Cash Explosion. One player left to go, and that's Kenneth. Kenneth, come on up here. Hi, Kenneth. All right, so you live in Dillonvale?
Yes.
And that's near Steubenville.
Yes.
Because, see,
Yes.
here, let me explain myself. October 26th, we have a road show at Steubenville High School. We come in the night before, and we're looking for a place to stay. So if you're not there, if you could just give me the key to your house, the crew...
I can do that.
You're good with that? Okay, in turn, we'll give you some money for it. So pick your 3
That sounds
numbers.
good.
All right, great. 4, 17, 15. And if you like those numbers, lock them in. All right, you see what total you need. 9,900 will move you to the leader zone.
I hope so.
And you will get a shot at $50,000, which behind the 4,
Double.
2,800.
Gotta see a trip to the bonus board. Maybe in this round. What's behind 17?
$5,000. All right, that's good news. The good news, because the least you can win on this board is $2,000. That will tie you for second place.
All right.
Any more than that, you're going to the cash challenge. What's behind the 15? $2,200, enough to move you into second place with $10,000. Head on over to the leader zone. All right, around this way, man.
I want to congratulate our top two winners, Wayne and Ken. We are doubling those totals. Wayne, you go to $23,000, and Ken, $20,000. These two will meet our defending champion, George, in the cash challenge to play for $50,000, along with the winner of our second chance game. That's coming up. Don't go away.
Tonight's winning numbers and the winners of a spot on the November 16th Cash Explosion Show are coming your way live from the Ohio Lottery Studios in Cleveland. Good luck. About to add another $5 grand to their game totals, plus claim the final spot in the cash challenge. Let's find out who it is. Meredith, come on up. D, thank you. Randy. O. David. In, locked it in, and Karen. E, Brenda. C, last but not least, Frank. Come on up here. Yes. All right. Time to find out who is going to the cash challenge. Frank! Frank, you're going to the cash challenge. Yeah, you, Frank. Yes, it's Frank. Frank! You had no idea. Frank just won another $5,000 and just found out. Head on over to the cash challenge.
It is guys' night here at the cash challenge. The name we see 3 times will be tonight's champion, George, as defending champion, going for another $100,000. That's right. You pick first.
Yes. 8.
8. Who starts off on our board behind 8? George. Wayne.
1.
1. Who's behind 1? Frank. All right, Ken, looking for your name.
7.
7. Who's behind 7? Ken found his own name, always exciting. Frank, looking for your name again.
11.
11. Who do we have behind 11? George!
Whoa.
George, if you find your name, that's another $100,000!
No. I'm going with 3.
3. Who is behind 3? Wayne!
Hey.
We got everybody on the board at least once. Wayne, you're trying to stay away from George. You want to keep the game going.
9.
9. Who is behind 9? Frank! We got Frank and George. Neck and neck. Ken.
4.
4. Who's behind 4? Wayne!
Hey.
Frank! If you want to keep the game going, you got to find Ken. If you want to win, find your name.
5.
5.
Come on, be there.
Do we have a winner behind 5? Who's there? George! George Sauer of Hillsborough. Held on for another week. He is tonight's champion. George, you win another $100,000, and you're coming back next week to play for more. Congratulations!